டெட்டுக்கு வரக்கூடிய இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் சோஷியல் எம்சிக்யூ கொஸ்டின்ஸ் இதில் பார்க்கலாம் நம்ம. The floating microorganisms are normally known as option C, plankton. The city developed with a temple is as its center is option D, Madurai. The most important need for every industry is B, option B, transport. Which type of structure describes Weber theory of industrial location? Option C, triangle. The trade occurs within the limits of a country is called option C, international trade. The pioneer to form Indian national flag was option C, Thillayadi Valliyamai. The great social reformer from Kerala is option A, Sri Narayana Guru. Lotus symbolizes option C, unity. A permanent standing army was organized by option D, Alauddin Khilji. A 1,500-year-old unrusted iron pillar is located in option A, Mehrauli. Ellora was occupied by during AD 742. Option C, Dandi Durga. The greatest Telugu poet was option D, Alluri Kuppanna. The empire developed into an independent kingdom under Alivardi Khan was option B, Bengal. The religion which reached the zenith after the 6th century is dash. Option B, Buddhism. Ashoka's messages inscribed on the rocks are written in option B, Prakrit. ASEAN was established in the year option C, 1967. The world communication revolution is considered as the option C, third wave. The world's first satellite was launched in option C, 1957. The source of energy to the world is option A, sun. Air Survey Company located in option B, Kolkata. The scholars adorned the court of Krishnadevaraya were Ashtadikajas. It is option A. The sailor who came up to the southernmost tip of Africa was option D, Bartholomew Diaz. The Kailasanath temple was built by Krishna. One was at option D, Ellora. The Zabdi system was introduced by option A, Akbar. The sites of the old Stone Age in India are option B, Achirampakam. The last Governor General and the first Viceroy of India was option B, Lord Canning. Bharatanatyam came to be developed during the period of Cholas. Option A, Cholas. The mother of Vardhamana was Trisala. The mother of Vardhamana was Trisala. Option D. The diamond throne was given of Lord Ranganatha at Srirangam by Option A, Achudappa Nayak. Veerabandya Kattabomman became a polygar in option B, 1790 AD. The Constitution of India came into force on 26th January 1950. Option A. The term of the Legislative Assembly of Jammu and Kashmir is 6 years. Option A, 6 years. Local self-government was introduced by Lord Ripon. That is option A, Lord Ripon. In which year did the government announce the National Population Policy? February 2000. Option A. Centrally administered area or cantonment boards. That is option A, cantonment boards. The sun appears to be the closest to the earth on option B, January 3rd. Which one of the following is wrong option for the rock-cut cave temple of Gupta period? That is option C, Elephantara cave from Maharashtra. Which part of the Constitution of India says about the Election Commission? That is option A, part 15. Match the list 1 with the list 2 using code. Now, rainfall, option D is the correct answer. That is rainfall. Rainfall is 4 and sleet is 1 and snow is second one and dew is third one. Delhi attained the status of National Capital Territory by the Dash Amendment of the Constitution. That is option B, 69th. The lower region of the solar atmosphere is called option C, chromosphere. The general elections were held in British India in the year 1920. Option A. Match the following. Kshetra. Option D is the correct answer. Kshetra 3 and Nishka 4 and Krishna is 1 and Bali tax is in 1775 to 1782. First Anglo-Mysore War 1767 to 1769, 2 years. Second Anglo-Maratha War 1803 to 1805. Third Anglo-Maratha War 1817 to 1818. Thank you.